Hey guys, I bought this 2013 Camry brand new, and this is the first time the brake light bulb failed at 87,000 miles. Even though only one light bulb went out, I'm just gonna go replace both since likely the other one will go out pretty soon.
Okay, step on the brake. Okay, off the brake. Left turn signal. Right turn signal. Okay, thank you. Okay, so my right side brake light went out and I'm gonna replace it. So to do that, for this cargo net holder, you just push down in the middle and pull it out. It's this piece here, the center, you wanna push in and then just pull it straight out. For these clips, just get a small flathead screwdriver like this and then carefully pull out the middle piece. Okay, once you got the middle piece out, you can pry out the remaining. So it's gonna be in two pieces like this. You want to pry out the middle part so the legs can loosen up so you can pull it out. These are reusable. Same thing over here. Pull out the middle, do this, that's out. And then after that, you're just gonna peel this open a little bit like that. And first one here, this is the brake light. You're just gonna turn it clockwise about a 1/8 of a turn. And for the bulb, you just pull it out. And I got the Sylvania 7443. Comes in two bulbs. I think I paid $10 for this. So for the new bulb, I try not to touch it with bare hand and potentially get grease on it, especially if you're replacing the headlight. I think it's okay because brake light is not on all the time and it doesn't get as hot as the headlight. So for this one, just gonna snap it back in. And if you notice here, there's like 4 notches on this. So you gotta line that up in here and then twist it counterclockwise, and that's done. So then push this back in. Okay, then I'm gonna put this back in first. Okay, line that up. Okay, so for this, before you put it in, make sure this is the middle section is pulled out a little bit. Okay, so you can squeeze the legs and then push the middle part in. Like this one, it went in, it won't go in that way. So you got to get the middle part to come out a little bit. Like that. Okay. Then put that in. That's it. Inside I can see there's 2 filament and one of them is broke. This is the old one. Okay, so it's gonna be same thing on this side. So take off your cargo net, press down in the middle and just pull that out. Get the flathead screwdriver, pull out that middle piece and plot that plastic clip. Same here. Pull it out. Then peel that back like that. Turning it this way. Pull it out. Okay. This one didn't go out, but I'm gonna go ahead and replace both because whenever I had one go out, the other one tends to go out not too far in the future. So here's the new one again. Push it in straight. Okay, put that back in. Then get this back in there. Okay, get that in there. That's it. Can you start the car? Can you turn on the headlight? Can you step on the brake? Can you take feet off the brake? Left turn signal. Right turn signal. Emergency light. Okay, thank you.